Do you ever feel a sense of mental fog? A slowness of thought that makes even simple tasks feel monumental? This state, often called brain fog, is a signal that your neural circuits are overloaded, dysregulated, or simply fatigued. The good news is that you possess the ability to intervene. You can reset your brain, not in weeks or months, but in as little as 10 minutes. By applying science-supported tools, you can rapidly shift your brain state, enhance your focus, regain a sense of mental clarity, not a quick fix that fades, a protocol you can use today and build into habits for long-term performance. Last year, juggling deadlines and recordings, I hit a wall. Instead of more caffeine, I stepped outside, walked 10 minutes, focused my visual field, added a few physiological sighs, and the mental static cleared. It was biology, not magic. Your breath is the most direct gateway to your autonomic nervous system. When you feel stressed, anxious, overwhelmed, your breathing becomes faster and shallower. That signals threat, real or perceived, and keeps you on high alert, scattering focus. To reset your brain, interrupt the cycle. Slow your breathing to send a powerful safety signal and let calm focus circuits come back online. This is physiological, not just psychological. A highly effective technique is the physiological sigh. You do it naturally before sleep or after crying. It offloads carbon dioxide and calms the nervous system. Do it consciously. 2 sharp inhales through the nose, first deep, second shorter to top off, then a long, complete exhale through the mouth. 1 to 3 cycles can rapidly reduce stress and quiet the mind. Box breathing, used by Navy SEALs and surgeons, keeps you calm under pressure. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Repeat 2 to 3 minutes. The count anchors your focus. After calming with breath, introduce movement. Your brain is deeply integrated with your body. Physical activity boosts blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients to the brain. It helps clear metabolic byproducts linked to mental fatigue. Even short bursts improve alertness, mood, and focus. You don't need a gym session. A 10-minute walk is powerful. Forward ambulation creates side-to-side optic flow that quiets the amygdala. Expand your visual field. Look to the horizon. Notice left and right without moving your head. Stuck indoors? Do 20 to 30 squats or march in place 5 minutes to elevate circulation. Release tension in neck, shoulders, and hips to signal the brain it can power down vigilance. Breath down regulates stress. Movement upregulates alertness. Try it now. Stand, reach overhead, then march in place for 1 minute. Notice the energy shift. You just changed your brain chemistry. A big contributor to brain fog is the constant influx of digital information. Screens are engineered to capture attention and deplete cognitive resources. Continuous partial attention fragments focus and keeps you in low-grade alert. Schedule a 10 to 20-minute screen-free period. Put your phone in another room, face down and out of sight. Close the laptop. Removing visual cues frees the mental bandwidth used to resist urges. Stack habits here. Breathe, walk, or simply do nothing. Let your mind wander. Engage the default mode for memory and insight. This protects the fresh energy you generated and consolidates benefits. Reach for your phone during downtime? Resist once today. While waiting for coffee, just look around. These quiet moments often spark your best ideas. Quick engagement break. If this helps, tap like, drop a comment with the habit you'll try, and subscribe for more brain tips. I'll pin a helpful comment. Reply with your favorite tip so others can learn from you. Your brain is exquisitely sensitive to light. Sunlight drives your circadian rhythm, sleep-wake, hormones, alertness. Within an hour of waking, get 5 to 10 minutes outside on clear days, 15 to 20 if cloudy. No sunglasses for this dose. Don't look at the sun. Let ambient light enter. Nature reduces stress and restores attention through soft fascination. Looking at trees, hearing birds, feeling a breeze, the opposite of draining digital focus. Combine a morning walk with light exposure for an efficient reset. Notice details, bark texture, cloud shapes, leaf movements. Indoors, sit by a window with greenery or sky. After screen breaks, reconnecting with nature gives calm and perspective. Your brain eats energy, roughly 20% at rest. Performance tracks fuel. Two common culprits: dehydration and unstable blood sugar. Both drive fog, irritability, and poor focus. Mild dehydration can temporarily shrink brain tissue and impair function. Sugar spikes and crashes leave you sluggish. Drink a glass on waking. Keep a bottle visible. Feeling foggy? Ask, have I had enough water? A full glass in 10 minutes can noticeably clear the mind. Choose stable energy: protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, almonds, fruit with nut butter, or Greek yogurt, steady glucose without crashes. Before another coffee, try water plus a small balanced snack. Observe the difference. Overwhelm paralyzes, amygdala up, prefrontal cortex down. Break the cycle with a tiny concrete goal. Check off one small item. Completion releases dopamine, motivation, focus, reward. Shrink until it's nearly impossible not to start. Open the doc, write one sentence, send one email. Commit to 5 minutes. Starting is usually the hardest part. If you stop, fine, you still won. Comment reset if you're ready to clear brain fog and start fresh mentally. Like this video so it reaches others who feel mentally exhausted. Subscribe for weekly science-backed brain resets, focus strategies, and mental clarity habits. Repeated small wins retrain your brain to see tasks as manageable. What's one small thing you've been putting off? Take 2 minutes now. Notice the relief from that first step. Sleep is the most important long-term reset. During deep sleep, your brain clears metabolic waste, including amyloid beta, and consolidates memories. Consistency anchors your clock. Same sleep and wake times, even on weekends. Make it dark, cool, and quiet to maximize melatonin and depth of sleep. Get morning light, limit late caffeine, manage stress with breathing, and move during the day. 7 to 9 hours nightly prevents the fog from rolling in so thick tomorrow. You're not at the mercy of fog. Use these physiological levers: breathing, moving, managing light, and strategic disconnection to regulate your state in minutes. Do a physiological sigh, a 10-minute walk with light and optic flow, water plus a balanced snack, then one 5-minute task. You can reset your brain. Start now. If this helped, like, comment, and subscribe. Pinning a helpful comment. Share your favorite tip and reply with yours to help the community. A calmer mind starts with one reset.